Today I am going to share crispy bread chicken lollipops recipe. It's so easy and quick recipe. Chicken marination preparation. Chicken keema 500 grams. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce 2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix well. Rest for 15 minutes. Flour batter preparation. Flour 1 cup. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Water as required. Mix. Perfect. Leave aside. White bread. Separate the middle part. Done. Marinated chicken as required. Spread. Ice cream sticks. Bread slice. Deep with flour batter. Shake excess. Breadcrumbs. Fry. Fry until golden brown. Flip. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.